Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps or step goal on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the widgets, and here we have the activity widget. Once you see it, tap on the widget to open the menu, to activity menu basically. Now scroll down and at the bottom you should see the option called adjust goals. Tap on it and here we can adjust the goal for the steps by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Then we can tap next and we have the calorie goal and the workout goal, an activity session. And once you're done with the adjusting, the goals should be updated as you can see. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the goal for the steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.